Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I came across a Cosmopolitan article where it had like 17 different fall makeup trends. So I was going through and I was looking at them and I was like, this looks cute. I wonder how some of these would look together in one look. So that's what we're going to try today. But before I get my face fall ready, you know what is ready? My accessories, because today's video is sponsored by Ana Luisa. So I've got on this pair of earrings, but wait, I have another one. And then I also have this little gold chain necklace on. I feel like some of you have probably noticed that when I do wear jewelry, it's usually this type of, simple, minimalistic, dainty type of stuff. Like I can't do the big statement pieces or dangling jewelry, anything hanging off of me. The most I'll do with earrings are like hoop earrings, and even then they're very simple, just hoop earrings that I'm throwing on. There is no in between with me. It's either like the most I'll do are hoop earrings, maybe like a layered necklace, and then small stud, small hoop type earrings. There's no in between for me because I just feel like those are, one, easier to style, and two, they go with so much more. Like I'm wearing this now, I've got a dress on right now, but I could throw on a sweatshirt and it would go with that too. And I feel like you'll always need, like a simple clean gold necklace. You'll always need just clean studs. So that's my type of style when it comes to jewelry. So when I went on their site and I saw what they had, I was like, this is right up my alley. Now their stuff ranges from $39 to some higher end pieces. So if you are the person who likes to ball out a little bit on their jewelry, there is a little something for everyone there. But one of the things I like to point out the most about their company is that they are an environment friendly type of brand. So you're getting, tarnish free, long lasting pieces, but they do like to be sustainable. So they do reuse, they do recycle, reuse and recycle. That's how it goes, right? And they also have a goal of achieving a net zero carbon footprint by the end of 2020 and keeping that going for years to come. So go ahead, check them out. All that will be in the description down below. And like I said, you can't go wrong by adding like just staple pieces to your collection. I changed my mind. I want to wear this pair throughout the video. Now on to the first trend. Apparently pink eyeshadow, bright pink eyeshadow is going to be a trend for this fall. I saw this look amongst the list of, trends, and I want to recreate that. It's not the easiest to see, but we're going to try. I'm going to use the, Karity matte eyeshadow palette that looks like this. Let's hope we can do this. So I'm going to start with the orange shade and just kind of start buffing that in to the front. Ooh, fallout. It's going to be a mess to clean up, but the front of my eyes. And then it's like this salmon type of pink. I'm going to use that next to the orange and just place that right next to it just for like a smoother transition between the orange and the pink. You guys see this getting everywhere. And then hot pink right next to that. And you can low-key like go in with the hot pink because she's supposed to be bold. She's supposed to be there on your face. Can't miss it. Not the most traditional way that you would put on eyeshadow, but runway makeup is not traditional like at all, so it's okay. And plus, just have fun. I'm also dragging it out a little bit more than I usually would for eyeshadow, but I feel like this is the looks of all looks where it's like, just go for it. Just go for it and see what happens. I'm gonna take a little bit of yellow on my inner corners. Fully get that, sunset look. Just a little bit. Okay, let me go ahead and wipe off the 2 tons of fallout on my face. Another trend is supposed to be dew. They use the words dewy, but I have oily skin, so we're gonna be realistic and say like glow. We're gonna go for a glow from within type of look. So I already put down the milk primer, and I'm gonna use the Brilliant Face Brightener Illuminating Primer from Thrive in my T-zone, which even though it is a, illuminating primer, it doesn't have me looking a hot mess like 2 hours later with oily skin. Foundation, I'm going to use the Nars foundation because I told you guys I want to try the two shades together. So the darker one as my like foundation shade and then the lighter one as my concealer shade. So I'm gonna blend this out. And then the lighter shade for concealer. I keep getting questions, which one do I like more? This Nars foundation or the Urban Decay Stay Naked, because you know they're both soft matte foundations. I would have to say for now, probably Urban Decay, just because, you know, I've experienced more with that one. I've only had this foundation for a week. That could change, but I'd probably have to say that one just because, you know, I feel like she gives you just a little bit more matteness for a soft matte foundation that's not going to dry out your face. But again, I'm keep playing around and testing this foundation with other products, so my answer could change. Interesting, they said contour really is not the wave for this fall. It's more about, you know, glow and blush and all of this, which we'll get to blush. So I did a little, you know, like reverse contour, but I'm still do just a little bit of contouring with Neon's collab, because you know it's like you you know, y'all just start giving me products I could actually use on my skin tone, so I'm gonna use like a little bit. That wasn't supposed to happen. Now this next trend, I'm all the way here for it because it's blush. You know what color of blush it is? Orange, my favorite color of blush. Yeah, and you see how she's bathing in it in the picture? That's how I'm applying it in today's video. I'm tempted to bring my eyeshadow into my blush, but I'ma chill. For today's video, I'ma chill. To set my face, I'm gonna use the Fresh Vitamin Nectar setting spray. I feel like I know I just said the Rare Beauty is my like current favorite, but it might honestly be this one. This might be like holy grail type setting spray because everything else I try, I keep coming back to this one. So, okay. It just smells good too. Now I am here for all the lip trends that I've seen for fall. Red lips, dark lips, y'all know I already do that, but the two that I'm using in today's video, I'm using one because they go with the look, and two because I'm pretty sure I do them in like every single video. They are glossy lips and nude lips. So first I'm going to add gloss with the Fenty Hot Choco Lit. And then just to make them a little more nude, because you know right now they're pretty like brown. This is from NYX. This is their After Hours shade. And it's going to... And the last trend I have to try for you guys are colored lashes. They are going to be a trend, as well as be a good time to have Raggedy Royals collab, but I don't have it. So we are going to have to make do with what we've got. So I've got these lashes from Wink Lush. These are in the style Extra. And I'm gonna try to turn these into colored lashes. Let's see how this goes. I'll be right back. Yeah, this is gonna take a minute, so I'll be back once they're on. So that is it for my face, and y'all, I am kind of digging how this looks all together. I won't lie to you guys, I was not positive that I would end this video actually liking how my face came out, but I kind of dig this. I feel like this is something you would see on someone's runway. Okay, let me see, what trends did I try on my face? The blush. Love a good blush over here, and I would actually go out with this much blush on my face. The eye look, y'all know colored eyeshadow ain't nothing new to me, but the colored lashes, I was about to say eyeliner, the colored lashes are new to me, and I'm not mad at it. You know, this combination that I've got going on right now, I would go out with lashes like this. I left them, I was gonna cut them, but I left them a little longer because I feel like they kind of, the extraness of the extra lashes kind of plays into the more dramatic look that I've got going on right now. The lips, again, ain't nothing new to me. What other trends did I try? I don't remember if I said it, but the brows are technically like a trend. Apparently this fall, more structured brows are going to be a thing. They said they were leaving bushy brows in the past, and you know, they were gonna get more structured, detailed brows. This is as structured as we're going to get, okay? I'm not bringing back like box brows. So I'll always be here for these type of brows. What other trends did I try? Did I try a complexion trend? Oh, you know, a little a little more dewy. This is dewy, glowy as we're going to get, okay? Still have oily skin. So yeah, that is it for my makeup today. The more I look at it, the more I start to like it. Okay, my eyes, I am digging my eyes, and I'm pretty sure it's the lashes. And look at that, when your jewelry matches any outfit, it usually matches any makeup look that you do too. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are team simple jewelry or more bold, dramatic jewelry. And yeah, I hope seeing some of these trends has put you guys on to some new things that you could try. Let me know which ones you guys would want to try, or what other trends that you're seeing, that you're digging, that you're not liking. Let me know all of that down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.